Hello there. Welcome to Shaun Academy. Today in this video we're going to learn how to start a handyman business. My name is Sarah and I will be your instructor in this video. Now, before we start a handyman business, let's take a closer look at what goes into starting one and how we can make yours profitable. Homeowners face an endless list of things to fix, improve, and put together, and finding the time to do it all is a common challenge. Furthermore, some of the items on the average homeowner's to-do list may necessitate more than your average do-it-yourself knowledge. Starting a business as a handyman can provide you with a great business opportunity as well as the opportunity to assist struggling homeowners in finally getting their homes in order. Let's take a look at the costs of starting a handyman business. Assuming you have a dependable vehicle for transporting tools, your startup costs will be relatively low. In fact, experienced business owners can start a business for less than $1,000. Standard home repair tools, marketing materials, and insurance are the only things you'll need. Insurance costs vary depending on your experience and the scope of the projects you intend to undertake. The average price ranges from $300 to $800. Consider creating a simple website where customers can find basic information and contact information to help your business grow. While your ongoing costs will be higher than your initial startup costs, most handymen report relatively low overhead costs. You'll need to keep all of your licenses and insurance up to date. Your biggest expense will be ongoing maintenance, repair, and replacement of all tools, including your vehicle. If you hire a crew, you must also consider workers' compensation costs, as well as payroll costs. You have a large pool of potential customers to choose from in this industry. The majority of consumers lack the knowledge, time, and desire to perform home maintenance and repair. Determine your target audience by thinking about the types of jobs you want to take on and the customer base you want to work with. A typical target market is single women over the age of 50 who live alone. They frequently lack the skills required to complete most home repair tasks and are willing to pay to hire a trustworthy, hard-working repairman. The price you can charge customers will vary depending on location, project size, and scope. Some handymen charge an hourly rate, while others charge on a per-job basis. Hourly rates typically range from $60 to $125. Professionals advise setting cost-based fees to avoid under- and/or overcharging. Being a handyman can be lucrative. While the average one-man operation earns around $40,000 per year, many handyman businesses report earnings of up to $3,000 per week. Your profits are directly proportional to the types of jobs you accept and the accuracy of your fee structure. Before starting a handyman business, you should determine whether there is a market for your services. One of the most common mistakes that handymen make is failing to determine whether or not there is a market for their services. If you live in a city where there is a handyman on every corner, you will most likely face stiff competition for clients. If there isn't a handyman within dozens of miles, you could quickly establish yourself as the go-to expert for handyman services. Conduct a quick market research in your area by looking for and evaluating other handyman services. You should also be prepared for unexpected work. Running a successful handyman business requires you to fill a variety of roles. You'll be an accountant, a bookkeeper, a lawyer, an office manager, and a marketer on a daily basis, and that's exactly what you should expect. Many handymen make the mistake of not anticipating all of this extra work, which is just as important if not more important than doing handyman work. If you want to run a successful handyman business, you must account for all of this extra work. During the first few months of your business, you'll rarely spend an entire 8-hour day doing nothing but handyman work. Consider all of the tasks you'll need to complete in order to start your first job, such as find and market to customers, make invoices, register your company, create a website, establish a business bank account, keep all receipts and invoices, purchase tools, and even more. In addition, you will require small business insurance. Business insurance is required for all handyman services, regardless of location. Not only will handyman insurance protect you from claims involving accidents and property damage, but it will also cover any work-related illnesses or injuries that your employees may suffer while on the job. When you consider that most states require handyman insurance, it's clear that having a policy is critical to your success. If you found this video useful, please show your appreciation by clicking the like button. Also, let us know in the comments if you'd like us to make a long, comprehensive follow-up video to learn more about how to start a handyman business. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos from Shaun Academy, an extension for education.